name is Elian Gonzalez. You may remember me, you may not. The story of what happened is not written down. What remains are just people's memories. What happened to me wasn't a movie. It was a true story. It was a real-life Thanksgiving story. Some say it's the story of a little boy from Cuba whose mother died trying to give him freedom in the United States. Others say it's a story of a boy shipwrecked in Miami whose Cuban father just wanted him back. It was always supposed to be my story, although a lot of other people will try to make it their own. My life in Cuba is good for me, but many people say they cannot live here anymore. They say Cuba's president, Fidel Castro, is making it hard to live here. Many people are poor and can't find work. If they don't make money, they can buy food or medicine or clothing. People who speak out or disobey his rules have to go to jail. Many people want to live in the United States. Some have already traveled to Little Havana in Miami, Florida. One day, we were walking in the busy streets and saw lots of people gathered around. Some people were laughing, cheering, but then I saw older people crying. The people had to move. There were people bringing in pieces of wood. Some people were helping to make a large boat. It doesn't look like a boat to me. Why are so many people watching? I'm kind of scared. Mama is hugging me, but I think she's kind of shaking. Lazaro, Mama's boyfriend, gave Mama a kiss. He just said that we are not the Miami Mafia. We are brave. We are going to open doors for others. I don't know what that means. I think Mama doesn't believe him. She smiles, though Mama looks at me. She has tears in her eyes and kisses my forehead. She said, I will be brave. She said, I will be happy. There are so many people. They make me feel scared. Why are there so many people? Are they really happy? I think they're scared, too. I was a kid. For me, it was a game. I was asleep when they took me, but when I woke up, I was on the raft made by Mom's friend, Lazaro, and the other man. It was quiet at the sea. It is hot. Mama whispered to be brave and said it won't be long. The boat sank 2 days ago. They put me on the inner tube. I had to hold on the inner tube with Mama, Lazaro, and amigos. I am so thirsty. I want to tell Mama, but I don't want to scare her anymore. Mama is scared. I know my face hurts, but my lips hurt more. They taste like salt. I don't like salt anymore. It hurts. I am glad I'm 6. I fit better on the tube. Yesterday, 2 amigos fell off the tube. They were swimming. They didn't catch up. Nighttime comes and it's getting cold. In the dark, the water seems scary. I wonder if there are any sharks out here. I lift my head, look around, and fall asleep again. Mama covered me with a blanket. I woke up later and saw my mom and her friends arguing. When I woke up again, I only see my mom. The next time, I don't see anyone. I must hold on. I don't really know how long I held on the tube. I cried and felt so scared alone. There was a fishing boat that came close to me. I put on my hands and the 2 fishermen saw me. I couldn't believe it. I thought I was dreaming, but it wasn't. The men pulled me onto their boat and drove fast to the shore. The people wrapped me in a big blanket and rushed to the hospital. Now I'm in Miami and have relatives here. I met some of my cousins for the first time. I have mixed up feelings, but I know one thing. I am glad to be alive. I survived because of my mom. Ayúdame, ayúdame, ¿qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? It is loud. I hear shouting and banging. Why is my uncle holding me so tight? Who's in the house? They are dressed scary with a gun. I do not like guns. I have my t-shirt on. What did I do? Was I bad? I was sleeping. Don't shoot the gun. Don't shoot the gun. I will be good. Ayúdame. I can't stop crying so hard. Please don't hurt me. Why are these people here? Where are they going to take me? I am scared. I just want them to go away. The men with guns made me leave. I was in tears. They carried me to a van. The van drove away, and the next thing I knew, I was on a helicopter. I didn't know where we were going. I was scared, but I stayed calm. The helicopter landed in a military base. A nurse kept looking me over. She said I looked good. I'm not sure what that meant. They put me on an airplane with a doctor and the lady who carried me out of my uncle's house. They gave me paper and crayons to color to make the time go faster. When the plane finally stopped, everyone got off the plane except for me. All of a sudden, I wasn't scared anymore. Papa was here. Papa came through the airplane door, and I jumped into his arms and held him tight. I wrapped my arms around his neck and laid my head on his shoulders. As he carried me out of the airplane, I was so happy to be with my papa again in Cuba.
Life in Cuba is good now. I can't wait to marry my beautiful fiancée. I do miss my family back home in Miami, but I don't think my life would have been better in the United States if I were to stay. I think I would have been the poster boy for that group of Cubans in Miami that tries to destroy the revolution, that tried to make Cuba look bad. I would have been used in that way. Maybe I would have become an actor on TV, or maybe I would have more money than I have here with more comforts, but I wouldn't have my family. I wouldn't have the tranquility I have in Cuba. Upon my return, I was promised that I would live a normal life, but every now and then I was criticized by anti-Castro Cubans. Fidel put many things in my hands. Fidel told me if I wanted to be an athlete, he supported that. If I wanted to be a swimmer, he supported that. If I wanted to be an artist, he supported that, and he did. I was fortunate to receive an education at a military academy and earn a degree in industrial engineering. I enjoy my job as a technology specialist at a firm that manufactures plastic containers. One day I will return to school to earn a master's degree. Now I just hope that the relations between the U.S. and Cuba will continue to improve and our differences will clear up. Everyone can have their different point of view, have their political differences, but I don't think the countries and families should continue to be separated. I don't know when, but one day I would like to return to the United States to visit family and thank the people who supported my father's fight to bring me home to him in Cuba. My 2 feet, my body, my mind are in Cuba. But there are times when I think about the United States. I wouldn't be who I am had I not been in the United States.
Guajira, el sol te llama a bailar, a gozar. Guajira, el sol te llama a bailar, a gozar. Guajira,